Chef afethu kunjani kameraming team focus well mswati lo mnanzi football fusion sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi-one Ngisathi ngihamba no okay let's go
Well, abafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, you know the story.
So bafethu we are back with another one. So today we're gonna be looking at Orlando Pirates is playing up against Siwelele. Udlala aphi that? Udlala Orlando.
Yeah, Dlala Orlando.
Oh, udlala le eJaweni. So yeah, my guy, you're sitting on top of the log.
Shooting kahle.
You're coming all right. You're sitting on top of the log, my guy. So before we actually get to the game itself, let's look where you're coming from. You were playing Richards Bay and with the convincing win of 2-0. Any comment you want to make to play your game?
Kahle, the last two games esiwadlalile.
Yeah.
Even against Polokwane, I know there was a weather factor there where Polokwane was playing at home. But weather had some challenges on us. But we should have killed the game. I think one thing in Kalangawa Kulu, it's the chances that we create that we don't convert. Because we do create the chances, but we don't convert the chances. Early in the game. Because if you check a game model, coach Wade is to press them early and get that early goal. And once you get that early goal, you try by managing the game, and if Belahla transition, get the second one. But in the our strikers, I would say they are wasteful. Not to mean that they play bad, but converting, scoring wise,
they're wasting chances.
Yes, wasting chances. Another thing, there's a team, Dlala Champions League right now, Ipodo. Yes, that team. And I think I watched that game.
They were playing Norway.
Yes, they were playing against Inter. One player had a better chance. The other one scored. Yes, I'm coming to the Pirates point. The other one scored, but there was a player who had a better chance. Instead of celebrating, we are why passing, and it goes within the team. If you check Pirates, it's the same thing. You find abadlali abafana no Morem who take chances when they're supposed to pass. Into efana nalezo. That there is something that we need to learn. That I'll stop at that.
No, I hear you. I hear you. So now you're going to play a Isiwelele, which looks like a team. We're gonna be speaking about PSL, except that the games that they've played, maybe in cups and all that.
Yes.
With PSL, obviously they are new with PSL, and obviously they look like a team that want to stay with PSL. So now they haven't lost like in 6 games, I think, with PSL. Even though they play a lot of throws, and then they're coming to face you, which are a very stubborn team that's showing everybody which winner you wanna take this league this season. What's your take on them?
First, I would like to congratulate. There's nothing on. But the coach that we're playing against, I'm praising him. Coach Siema is a very good coach. Given time, he will do wonders with that team. Obviously, it's their first season, as you emphasized. I'm looking at them giving us challenges. Even the 2 games that we played last year in the cup, we played Claybull and even League. We won those games, both of them 1-0. But you could tell it's a team that plays with identity. That's why I'm praising the coach. Because it's a coach who actually is technically very good. Which means that he will be able to anticipate what Pirates normally does. I think again, one of our advantages in this game will be the fact that we are playing a home game. Yes. And he will be looking to utilize or to take opportunity in our weaknesses. One of our weaknesses being Osibisi. Osibisi, I think, in our previous game, he made a lot of mistakes, and I hope he does better. It's coming from a good heart. I know fans bought him. We'll talk about that, but for now, I think he should raise his head up high we are fighting for a bigger thing here. We need him because at the end of the day, it's coach who makes the selection. If it still keeps on playing him, then we have to support him. He also has to show that he needs that support by playing well, by showing who's too strong. So things like that. Yeah.
Yeah, you've touched on my point critical, and I was not we actually could dive more, but because of time and all that, we won't touch them. But you spoke about Uti, you've beaten them home and away, right?
Yes.
And you're coming to a win as well. So going to this game, would you want to change anything based on your previous game? You also mentioned the issue of CBC. So now we're going to this game. What changes would you want to see?
First, I would say it's obvious. Yeah. It would be obvious for me because I've already touched on it.
Yeah.
I would like to see Chabatane even more. I would like, even though Makaula, I wouldn't say much about him, but I would like him to raise his one Nyusa Masogis. Yeah, Nyusa Masogis. Yeah, again, it's decision making because Makaula has got time. He wins us balls. That you cannot falter him on that one.
Yeah.
But we cannot also lose balls cheaply, Bata has been exceptional for us. And the striking force. I think I've already mentioned some of the points with striking force.
Yeah. You say they are missing a lot of chances, but obviously your striker that you have been using is Mbutuma. You want to touch on Mbutuma?
Yeah, uMbutuma, I think off-season bafowethu mina ngathi asimshaye masimbona nje ejimeni akashaya umembona nje lalela point lami hayi uthi ushayela nje just I'm not lokhu nje promoting violence but ngithi mina angifune kubona i-striker saku-PSL not for Pirates only. Khona lezi zinto ezenziwa boLipasa, it doesn't help you to score goals, man. Yeah. You rather hire someone njengoba nje kwenzeka njengamanje with Major. We want to see those things because you owe us a lot of goals because you spend time focusing on conditioning yourself, whereas team Vele will condition you and the conditioning coaches will tell the head coach that this one is fit, which means that you are ready for the game. If you are not fit, you won't be selected.
So they just need to polish themselves.
Yes.
Exactly.
Create those situations because especially we see a different thing. We can't always refer to them as if they are special than us. We also need to learn these things.
Yeah. No, I hear you. So now I don't know if you are ready to make predictions.
Before I make predictions, I want to talk about the fans.
Okay, the big one because you highlighted that one.
Yeah. That one. That's why I wanted to give it the attention that it deserves.
Yeah.
We are fighting for the league. The league hasn't been won by any team for the last 8 years except Mamelodi Sundowns.
Correct.
So we're trying to break that curse. It's important to emphasize that. I know Uti right now we are like we fighting it because we are level on points.
Yeah.
The problem is with the goal difference. That's where we had an upper hand. I know Sundowns have got 34 goals, we have got 33 goals, but with the goals that have been scored to us, we have that upper hand right now. But that doesn't mean that fans asezoba say every time ubambe ibhola bese kuthiwa hey shoot boo our players. No. Let's be patient. We still have 10 games. 10 games, how many points? There are still a lot of points to be dropped, even by us, even by Sundowns. There are a lot of points to be dropped. 30 points, So let's fight for points more than fighting for a goal. Yes, we want goals. We would appreciate to have a lot of goals. Hence, I was talking about our strikers, which Bella improve. But right now, we are in a different fight. We're trying to break the curse. Every win is important, even if it's a 1-0 win.
Yeah.
An ugly win. We won ugly on our previous game when we were playing against Richards Bay. But because win is a win, that's what is important.
Yeah. No, I hear you. Just to add on that, because you played 20 games, you're sitting on a number one, you're using the same players. The coach believes in his players.
Yes.
So the only thing Orlando Pirates needs, if they really want to take this league, is the fans to rally behind the coach and the players. Because now if you're going to chop and change at this stage, you can't do that. That's going to be risky. So the only thing fans could do is to support Orlando Pirates and the coach's decision.
True. Hey, you touched on the coach. Hey, coach likes to experiment. Hey, right now, man,
there's no time to experiment.
There's no time to experiment now. Yeah, when I find to fagay Mbole in the conversation, I know people love Mbole. I love him, even myself. But it has been proven that to coach akapiliveli again. Next season you can believe on him. But njengoba ngapiliveli again, we don't need him that much. Mhlawumbe sesingamthola ke mangabe iwin game just ukuthi amphe na game time, yabo. But we need players that are showing ukuthi bona they are raising their hands ukuthi siyayifuna le league. Siyayifuna ngempela le league mfethu. Siyayifuna. It's not easy, but it can be done.
Yeah, it's doable.
Enye into futhi disadvantage yethu is the fact that yabona Mamelodi Sundowns right now, it's the same Mamelodi Sundowns that we've been seeing over there. Ibuyile bafethu. So asikho isidingo sokuthi silwe sodwa. We need to fight against the enemy, not amongst ourselves. Because
the Sundowns right now, it's okay. They are not used to have this competition so stiff like this, you know. So much is about let's show these people who we are. So they are back to that Mamelodi Sundowns. So ours is to support where we can. So score predictions, win and lose, draw.
I also see a 2-0 win. Hoping to have 3. Yeah, but clean sheets wise, I don't think we compromise on that one.
Yeah.
It does happen that we get scored against, but it's not very often.
Yeah. I don't know about Faith. You've heard it all. Kuma commenting, I predict any Shoma scores. Anything we touch on in our comments and at on your side. But other than that, we're out of here.